Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. We have with us today Mr. Muhammad Aftab Chaudhry, Consul General of Pakistan in Houston.
I served in ministry on different desks, different sections, and different capacities. Pakistani-American are very well established. They are very good businessmen, doctors, engineers. We go to different trade shows and expos within the US, within our jurisdiction.
Culture is a great way to build connections.
Cultural diplomacy is a tool that I feel, has helped us in connecting with the people. At some point in time, we have to be an expat nation. I should be grateful to God that I got this opportunity, and it's always a great experience to serve the country.